Alright, I'm checking out a Camduck wireless spy camera. It looks like a smoke detector. I'll show you what it looks like here out of the box. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Just take the base off like so. And you can hardwire it. You got that option. It also has a lithium-ion battery. Already comes with it. This is where the camera would be inside the lens right here. It has a 4 megapixel resolution, which is twice as clear as 1080p. It comes with a 120 degree wide angle lens, which is right in here. And it features a 360 degree horizontal rotation. So yeah, this part here will rotate. It supports 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks. It's got H.265 video compression technology of spy cameras, so you can store longer video files on the same capacity SD card. It has the USB cord, power cord, mounting hardware, and your USB 2.0 little dongle, and a little pick to open up the back side of the camera. Okay, under the plate here you've got your USB-C and slot for your TF card or micro SD card. So yeah, this will support up to a 256 gig micro SD card, and the built-in lithium battery can sustain continuous monitoring for approximately 6 hours without power. Okay, so you can see the little LED light, the red and the blue LED light to let you know it's got power. So you can hold the power button here on the front to turn it on and off. About 3 seconds. Alright, so that turns it off. Again, another 3 seconds turns it back on. So the red light indicates that the camera is switched on and in loop recording mode. The blue light means it's switched on and it's detecting motion. Alright, so to add the Camduck app, you want to look in the, like I'm using a Samsung, so it'll be in the Google Play Store. You type in the letters CIXICM and download the app. Alright, now we're ready to open. I guess we'll use it this one time. We'll go ahead and start. Alright, so we'll click to add the camera. So we'll do the close range monitoring. Alright, so go ahead and power this back on. Currently it's got a red light flashing. Alright, so I got a blue light flashing.
to the camera Wi-Fi, then return to the app.
Alright, so let me...
Please connect to the camera Wi-Fi.
Okay, so once you get connected, and it takes you to the Wi-Fi cam. Okay. So as you can see, it's working on my phone. It's actually a pretty clear picture. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. So yeah, I'm not ready to mount this. You know, again, this is using the power cord included. You can hardwire this, you know, when you have a location, which currently I'd have to do that, you know, off camera. But yeah, this is actually a pretty nice camera. So again, it'll support up to a 256 gig micro SD card. So it'll record your video and audio. So, but yeah, hope that helps you out. If you're looking for a Camduck Wi-Fi hidden camera smoke alarm of your own.